In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add URL parameters to your form using Typeform Help Center. Whether you're looking to customize links or track responses more effectively, knowing how to add URL parameters can significantly enhance your user experience. Let's dive in. First, let's head over to Typeform's website. This is where all the magic begins, as Typeform offers a dynamic platform for crafting user-friendly forms and surveys. Opening Typeform in your browser sets you up for success right from the start. Once you're on the Typeform homepage, you'll want to log into your account. Look for the Login button at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on it will prompt you to enter your credentials. Be sure you have your login details ready to smoothly access your workspace. If you've forgotten your password, Typeform has an easy reset option to help you gain access quickly. With the successful login, you're now in your Typeform workspace. Your workspace is essentially your hub, allowing you to view and manage all your existing forms and projects. So, go ahead and navigate to this section, making sure you're familiar with the layout. This will help in easily locating the form you want to work on. Next, you'll select the specific form to which you want to add URL parameters. In your workspace, locate the form by either browsing through the list or using the search function for faster access. Selecting the correct form is pivotal, as any changes you make will apply to that particular project. So take a moment to confirm your choice. Once you've selected the form, your next move is to click on Workflow. The Workflow section is your playground for organizing how your form behaves and interacts with users. It gives you control over various settings, including URL parameters, which is our focus today. Within the Workflow section, locate and click on Add URL Parameter. This option is usually straightforward to spot. Adding URL parameters is an essential step for tailoring your forms to enhance data collection. You might find this particularly helpful in tracking campaign sources or customizing user experiences based on their entry point. Finally, you'll see the Add New Parameter option. Clicking this allows you to define and create specific parameters for your form's URL. Each parameter can be uniquely named and tailored to capture specific data useful for your purpose. Remember, the more precise you are with the definitions, the more valuable the insights you'll gather. And there you have it, an easy-to-follow process for adding URL parameters to your Typeform. By following these steps, you can customize your user interactions and gather insightful data with ease. Practice these steps a couple of times until you feel confident, and soon you'll be a pro at enhancing your forms with URL parameters. Thanks for tuning in, and happy form building!